Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to week 10 weekly recap video. I'm going to be going over everything we did this week. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, leave a like if you enjoyed, and leave any comments or questions for me down below. So this week marks the halfway point of school. So we are halfway done. So there's 20 weeks total. We're done with 10 weeks already. Now we have 10 more weeks to go. So with that being said, let's start off with Monday. So Monday for this week, we're diving in the swimming pool and we're basically doing 3 different air off drills. And we did one round where we could see, and then we did another round where they put duct tape over our face eye port or viewport, and we couldn't see anything for the second round. So let me go over the drills. The first drill was our typical bailout drill that we've done already previously, and that is basically where they cut off main air, and then you realize you're not getting the air from the surface, so you turn on your bailout, and then thus completing the drill, and then they turn your air back on, and then you secure your bailout bottle. So the second one is they secure your main air, and you take your pneumo hose and you stick your pneumo hose up in your hat, and you breathe off basically your auxiliary pneumo air. And then for the third drill, you have a whip that's coming from topside, and then you take your whip that is connected to your bailout bottle, you swap that to the air coming from topside. So that was the third drill. Like I said, we did them all at first, and then we did a second round of every drill, but with duct tape over our eyes so we couldn't see anything. And then for Tuesday, we did basically a hands-on tools day. So we were working with the hydraulic chisel, the airlift, and the water jet. And if you didn't see on day 47 video on Tuesday, in that video, I actually show clips of us using the tools, me using the tools and everything. So if you have not seen that, feel free to go watch that video to see some footage of what it actually looks like, and to set the scene of what we're doing in commercial diving school. So anyways, for Wednesday, we're diving all day from the actual diving station, so no longer in the swimming pool, and we're basically using those tools that we were working with on Tuesday. Now on Wednesday, we're diving with them in the water. We had some complications, like the airlift wasn't working because the diesel compressor that supplies the air we had some issues with it, so we didn't really get to use that, but we did get to use the hydraulic chisel as well as the scrubber. It's like a wheel, and it has like 2 handles, and it runs off hydraulic pressure, and you can basically scrub like the concrete piles. They grow a lot of barnacles on them, so you can actually scrub all the barnacles off. So we got to use that at least. And then on Thursday, we took our midterm exam, and I got the results from that and everything. And then we started our lesson on offshore survival, and that was basically everything you need to know for working on an oil rig offshore. From safety to lifeboats, to emergencies, to food rationing, stuff like that. So everything you need to know for survival when it comes to offshore. So that was Thursday after we took our midterm, and then on Friday we were going over communication skills. And also, we talked a lot about career services department and what they do at CDA, and how they help students get jobs, put the students on a graduation list, and send those out to companies. with our information on them, so companies can contact us, and then we also are going to be given a list of companies and contact information for the hiring personnel of said companies. And then we did our resumes, just anything and everything that you could do for the actual career. And because that's what we're trying to do, we're trying to get a career. So we kind of had a career day kind of thing where we're focused mainly on everything that we got to do to get the job. So up until this point, it's been, and I mean, we got more training to do, but I mean, like, we've been doing a lot of, training for the job, Friday was basically more about getting the actual job portion in the commercial diving industry. So I actually mentioned a lot of stuff about career services and stuff in that day 50 video. Also, I mentioned in my day 49 video that I wasn't sure about my progress in the school and everything, but I heard that you can get a transcript, and that is true. So I was able to actually not pull up my transcript. I requested a transcript that breaks down by module. Each day you get a daily grade, and it could be a percentage, anywhere between 0 to 100. I'm guessing for 0 is you're not showing up, and 100 is you did exactly to the T what you're supposed to, and you get that every single day. I have a few hundreds, and they're mostly like in the 90s. I think I have like 175. I don't know what goes on with that, what went on with that, but that was probably my lowest, and there's only like one of those. Anyways, I'll probably talk about it more in my day 51 video and actually read off the numbers and everything like that. But basically, I have a 95 percentile overall score in the course, and my midterm grade was 93, I believe, 93% on the midterm. So I mean, that's an A, whether it's an A minus or just a regular A, I'm not too sure, but that's pretty good. I mean, I didn't get 100%, but I mean, that is really, really, really good. That means I know everything and I can move on, and I don't have any complications holding me back in the school. So I'm really happy with that. I'm excited to see how I'll probably get another transcript when I complete my junior mod, so that I know where my overall score is after my junior mod, and then again after my senior mod, just so I can track my progress. So if any of y'all were wondering about that, yeah, there you go. But yeah, like I said, I'll probably mention more of that and actually read off different scores and stuff like that of my actual overall grade. Most likely in my day 51 video. But yeah, like I said, we still got 10 more weeks to go. We got to finish the last 2 weeks of our junior mod. Next week I got diving all week long, and then the week after that we're welding. We also got more scuba stuff coming up. We got chainsaw, so we're gonna be cutting like a block of wood. Like each student cuts off a slice with the hydraulic chainsaw, so that's coming up. So don't miss any of the diving, welding, that kind of stuff. I'll try to get more footage like I did with the hydraulic tools and water tools in my day 47 video. I'll try to get more of that stuff for you guys. But anyways, that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you have not already. Stay tuned for everything coming up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe, leave a like, leave any comments or questions for me down below if you have any, and hope you guys have a great one. I will see you in the next video. Peace.